Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. So this is a video for all of the people that are going back to high school. I feel so bad for you. I'm so lucky to be out of high school. Bam! I'm so happy that I'm done with that because worst years of my life. But you know, most people can't really say that. I just want to show you guys some idea of maybe you want to go back in style and you want to look good when you go back for your crush, because I know I did. Greg, if you're watching, still here. I'm taken now though, so anyways, so I just want to show you guys what I did when I was in high school, and something light, simple, chill. Honestly, I probably did this in the dark every single day because waking up at 5 in the morning was not my cup of tea. So keep watching if you want to see a high school makeup routine. So I've got my face on already. Most people cannot leave the house without doing their eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. If you watched my eyebrow routine, you would know that I didn't have eyebrows in high school or middle school or elementary school or when I was born. I just recently found them on my face like last year. So I can finally do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do like the most minimal, like I'm gonna brush them out and just fill in the blanks. If you're wondering, this is the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. So once you like how they look, good for you. You're great. I'm going to do a little bit of concealer underneath my eyebrow. I would, if you want your makeup to stay on, like if you really care that much at 6 in the morning for your makeup to stay on, I would recommend getting a nice primer. So what I use is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. I already applied some actually. It's really good. I've been using it for years. This is what I used in high school actually. So as far as foundation, I don't really think you need that in high school. Maybe just concealer. This is the NARS concealer. Maybe just that, you know, to cover up your blemishes and then, you know, just blend it out. But besides that, I would never do a full face going to school. To each their own. Same with contour. Yes, I'm wearing some now. Like I have a full face on, you know, from previous things. But as far as high school goes, I wouldn't. If I even put, you know, much on, what I used was this is the Morphe palette. I think it's the 9N or About Last Night. That palette. Pick a nice neutral shade. I have a big fluffy brush right here. This brush is gonna be your best friend. A neutral shade for me, I think, is probably this one, Showtime. That's probably what I would go with. Usually I would put that all over my outer corner, bring it into my crease. What you could also do to create a nice shadow, like for just a little bit of dimension in your eye makeup, you could take a definer, like you could take a brush like this and you could grab a dark brown eyeshadow or near your shade range, your skin tone, but darker. Put that on your brush and then put it lightly in your crease, and that'll just make it look like you have dimension. But today I just want to show you what I used to do really fast in a hurry kind of makeup. I would grab just a little bright neutral shade and then literally just swift swap, swift swap, swift swap. Do you see the difference already in these two eyes? Because I do. To wake myself up and like look fresh and look awake, I always did something in my inner corner. Let me see. I know the James Charles palette has some really nice, yeah, very nice ones. I'm gravitating towards these two right up here. And this one's more pink. This one right here, that's a really nice one too. And I'll probably go with that one. Use the tools God gave you. Another thing I learned from Jacqueline, use your pinky, just dip in there like this, roll it around a little bit. You pick up more pigment with your fingers for some odd reason. If I were to use a brush, I wouldn't get much. So there's that right there. Just put it in your inner corner and tap it out so that it's not so harsh. And if you like it harsh, then by all means. Just like that. Makes you look more awake and like you put in effort, even though I've only used one shade so far, so I wouldn't call that effort. And I feel like I took that a little too far in, so I'm gonna just go over that with shadow that's in my crease. Before I put on mascara, I usually put on my eyelashes. This is the mascara that I used today. This is the Essence Lash Princess. They have a waterproof one if you would prefer that. But this mascara, I used it in high school. It is amazing for lower lashes, upper lashes. It really gives you a lot of length. You need to buy it. I'm telling you right now, you won't regret it. Thank me later. So I already have mascara on, but I am gonna go in and curl my eyelashes. I'm just making sure that my beauty blender. I'm making sure that my lash curler is clean. Another thing I recommend, if you have time in the mornings, you could double up on mascara, because for my lower lashes, I used to use this, and then I also used to use the Better Than Sex mascara. I think it's from Too Faced. I used to use that and this together. And the last thing that I do, I'm a chapstick girl. I love chapstick. This is, I don't know why I'm gonna explain this to you. This keeps my lips so moist, and they almost look kind of glossy. Like you wouldn't be able to tell that I wasn't wearing a gloss right now. I'm not wearing a gloss. I'm wearing chapstick, but a few options for lip gloss. I love the NYX Butter Glosses. They all have a little tint to them, and it's amazing. So this one is Cherry Pie. I guess I could show you what it looks like on me. I kept it in my purse at all times. So, are you ready for this? Because I'm not. Let me zoom you in. So that's that right there. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Cherry Pie. One lip option. What else do I have here? I wore this a lot, but this is pretty harsh, so I'm not going to recommend that. This right here is, oh my gosh, this is from Avon. I don't know how popular this is, but oh my gosh, ex-boyfriend's mom just didn't, like, she never used it. It was in the package still, but I said I'll take it, you know, because I love lip glosses. She gave this to me, and it's got a lot of glitter in it, but at the same time it's magical, and you hardly even see the glitter. I'll put it on and show you. To me, I can hardly even see the glitter. It just looks shiny. So that is this one. I don't know, can you see the glitter? Is it that noticeable? I don't know, it just looks shiny to me. So that is another option. And with that being said, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, that really helps me out. I'd love to see you come back. I'm trying to grow a family here. So I'm gonna be doing something really fun very soon. High school makeup. Impress your crush. Like, make him want more. That is it for today. I'll see you next time. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.